Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Grangeville, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right long-distance movers for your needs with options, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of movers can make sure your long-distance move is handled properly. We give you the services you need to move one state over or several states away. No matter where you want to go or how much you need to move, we have all the right options to make it easier. An Idaho moving company might not seem necessary for local moves. However, it's important to understand that what you'll have to do if you don't hire movers. You'll have to pack up your home or business on your own. Then all the boxes, furniture, and other items have to go into a moving truck. Once you arrive at the new location, it all has to be unloaded and unpacked too. A moving team like 3 men in a truck takes all this hard work off your shoulders. We can even do the packing and unpacking if you prefer. If your move will take you up to 10 days to complete, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grangeville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.